We've never mentioned it before, but with this one app, you can make $600 for free. This app will pay you $600 as a compensation. It is available for both iOS and Android, and both may be downloaded for free. In this video, I'll show you 2 more applications that's unrelated to the third one. The first 2 applications just charge you to download them. You are aware of how to obtain the top results and generate the greatest wealth with those 3 applications. The first 2 apps will essentially enable you to earn some free passive income. Since, as I have mentioned, installing them is all that is required. I'm going to show you those 2 apps, then I'm going to show you the third app that we never talked about before, and that will pay you $600 for free. Before we go to this video, welcome to Money Methods, where we will teach you the most recent ideas, hints, and techniques for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Going back to the video, you must first create and have your own PayPal account before proceeding to the website. So you go to paypal.com and sign up for a complete free account by clicking this link. Simply go into your own PayPal account and complete the necessary fields. If you choose not to utilize that option, or if you choose to by doing a Google search for online bank account in my country and creating a free account on the online banking website, you may start your own bank account online. Having stated that, I'm going to go on my computer and explain everything prior to revealing the program that would genuinely pay you $600 for nothing. Just 2 more applications to show you. I'll demonstrate 3 distinct apps in total in this video. But first, allow me to demonstrate a few apps that will pay you to do nothing. Downloading them and leaving them alone are the only requirements. Then you may focus on the final subject I'm about to cover, where we can make more than $600 for free. By that time, you'll have these 2 apps providing you with free passive money. Yes, installing the first 2 applications will pay you to do nothing. Then I'll show you the third app, which will give you a free payment of $600. As I previously stated, this is the first time we've mentioned it on the channel, so it's going to be a fantastic video. Make sure to stick around till the end. MoneySMS.com is the first site we're going to use. This is their official website, but we'll just install the app directly onto a smartphone device. Basically, how this works is that it's a free app that allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by the system and customers. All you have to do is download it to your smartphone device, create an account, and it will send you some random messages. You don't have to reply to those messages, they literally have no value. There are simply numbers that you know, and you can delete them as soon as you receive them. But you will still get paid for each and every SMS that you receive, so no work is required. You'll receive the SMS possibly, and all you have to do is sign up for this app, and every day they'll give you fresh text messages, and you'll be paid for each message as I mentioned. So basically, you can come work here, read more about how it works, but keep an eye on the next website because this one is exclusively for Android. They'll function on both iOS and Android, but this one unfortunately only works on Android. If you don't have an Android device, you won't be able to make any money with the Money SMS app. Their app is exclusive to Android because only Android allows to read SMS messages. All you have to do is install it and get paid by their money-making app for receiving text messages. This is how secure their app is because it does not read any of your data, including private messages. It only reads their own SMS, so they will not steal or read your messages. I've done a lot of research on this app, and people are really happy with the amount of money they're making with it. We are also happy with how the system works because, as you can see, it's completely automated. You can earn money with the app without having to do anything. They also have a nice referral program where you can earn 30% of your referral earnings. If you refer a friend to do this app and they sign up, once they start making money for $100, you'll get $30 for free, completely passively for the rest of your life. You'll be generating passive income from them, so sure, there is many different methods to produce passive revenue with the money. This SMS app is completely free. You will never have to pay for it because it will always be free. You can read more about how it works. So basically, sign up for automatic text messages and be paid for free. Here are some images of how the dashboard and app appears. I'm going to install the app and this is how it'll look. This is your referral code which you may give to your friends and family. You may also share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram with various Facebook groups about making money online. Telling them they can make passive income from the app and then sending them your referral links so that you can continue to get passive revenue from your referrals. As you can see, this app has a lot of good features. Is this a scam or legit? If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you may check the proof of payment for many users on an independent website right here. They take all necessary measures to guarantee that they comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy regulations. You can learn more about them on this website and you can see that people are making money from it. As I said, I've done a lot of research and this website works. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We definitely love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now let's return to the video. The next step that you may use to get some free passive income is called cashmagnet.com. Obviously, the app name is just a cash magnet and you install it on your Android phone. Again, this only works on Android. But keep on watching because the last app will be available for both iOS and Android, and it'll give you something for free at the end. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you can get money from your Android phone that pays you for every minute. So as you can see, you basically don't have to do anything because Cash Magnet combines all the top reward programs you want to play. So this one is going to pay you a lot more than the Money SMS app. So we're now moving from the lowest to the highest paying out. You can read more about it here. You don't have to do anything, just watch advertisements or play games. Earning will come in while you sleep or do something else. You could be eating your lunch, drinking outside, reading the news, or doing whatever else you do on a daily basis. To keep getting paid for downloading this application, just do that one thing every day. Leaving your phone outdoors is also recommended. So, expect to make several times more after just a few months on the job. If you have a cash magnet, you could be able to purchase a brand new phone that is always useful for you. This is how 10 of thousands of their appreciative customers do it. Since it is totally safe, you could practically buy a new phone. For a period of 2 months after you've used it, they guarantee that your information and personal preferences won't be used in any way. Utilizing your phone just for commercial purposes, it produces passive income. You can learn more about the cashmagnetapp.com. This is an Android app that will let you earn some additional cash. You're not using your phone, so you can simply leave it out there with the app installed, and you will be earning passive cash with no effort on your part. If you don't want to put this on your personal phone for whatever reason, you might be able to use another device. You can put it on a device that you don't like to use, such as an old phone. Simply download the software to the old phone and it will generate passive income for you if you leave it out there. You don't have to use it at all, and if you put it on as many devices as you have in your home, you can earn even more passive income. It's completely free. Again, all of these apps are completely free. There is no need to pay for anything. Now the last app we'll be using is this one right here. In a moment, I'll tell you the name of this app. However, this one will pay you $600, allowing you to make up to $600 every year simply by listening to music. You don't have to download this app on either iOS or Android, which is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. So there will be no complaints in the comments that it only works for Android or only works for iOS, because this one works for both sides and you'll get paid for just listening to music. Install the application, listen to music to gain additional points, and the more you play and listen to music, the more money you'll make. So basically, you're getting paid to listen to music in your free time. You can browse and play from over 100,000 radio stations to find and listen to your favorite music while also getting paid to do so. So you don't have to listen to some random music from SoundCloud that you don't even like. You can actually listen to music that you enjoy and still get paid for it. I mean, I'm sure all of you already listen to music every day. Now, you get paid for doing that and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music. spending your points on your favorite brands, and much more. As you can see, this app is available in many countries and you can download it to your smartphone device and start earning money right away. As I previously stated, this app is available in the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Current.us is the name of the app. This is the website's name and this is the logo, which should look like this. Simply look for the current software in your Apple Store or Google Play Store and learn more about it. And that's it for today. If you love similar contents like this, have a look at some of our videos. If you like it, don't forget to smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!